pinning the exact location of Kobe Bryant's fatal helicopter crash. On January 26, 2020, Kobe Bryant's helicopter crashed in the hills of Calabasas, near Las Virgenes Road and Willow Glen Street. The aircraft went down in thick fog on a steep hillside, about 1,400 feet above sea level. All 9 people on board tragically lost their lives, including Kobe and his daughter Gianna. Those who have found their way to the spot leave notes on rocks nearby. Today, the exact crash site remains a powerful and somber location remembered by fans around the world.